So I'm standing here in Bai Wing Wong Fort. Wow, I never think I've been this close to an eagle before, especially in a city. Massive eagle just flying here. Wow. Yeah, so I'm here in Taiwan, outside Taipei right now. And I just got here with the train. I went down to the harbor. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. And gonna walk around here a bit, have a look around, grab some food. Gonna rent a motorbike and cruise around a bit. But so far, I really like Taiwan and Taipei. So we're here in the jungle of Taiwan, in Taipei, like outskirts of Taipei. And it's just so beautiful here. It's amazing actually. Everything is so green. There's like So I just met this nice gentleman in here, and he told me it's a Tao temple. It's not a Buddhist temple, it's a Tao temple, and it's a goddess that the fishermen here are worshipping, and yeah, she protects them when they're out at sea. So there's many of these temples around the harbors. Nice time for some Taiwanese food. I just had some dumplings, some soup. All this cost €3, not even €3. So wrong way around. I love dumplings. That's probably my favorite, one of my favorite things right now to eat. So I'm just walking around here and trying to find my way to the viewpoint, and I just come across this old building. A very cool place. And wow. Some beautiful flowers here too. And some board games. Oh, these ones. When I was a kid, we were always playing with this. And you throw them and try to hit the other one away. Yeah, that's great. Ah. Oh, so random to just find this place here. It's too hard. Right. Oh, what's this then? That's I am Pisces. Yeah. That's cool. I love exploring like little things like this, little abandoned buildings. Looks like I made it to the top. Wow, what a view. So I'm standing here in Bai Wing Wong Fort and it was built by the Japanese 1904 when they were fighting the war against the Russians. I think we just found the coolest hair salon ever. Just look at this. It's like being back in the 70s, 80s maybe.
Oh, they even have television.
Yeah, and it looks like a very comfy chair. Another watch. Yeah, another clock. Oh, look at this TV here. It's 3D TV with, yeah, like some painting.
I think those ones are also like clocks, and they have like the date for the date in here.
Oh, it might
Maybe
be.
this one is not working.
Have you seen a chair like this in a hair salon before? Imagine how comfortable that'd be.
I just love this place.
That was a cool hair salon, right?
Yeah.
It was like going into a time machine
Yeah, it was
and just go back to the 80s.
It was really special.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah,
I like that place. And just so random and spontaneous to us.
Yeah.
Oh, look at those cool lights. Okay, we need to check it out to see what's going on. And it was a hair salon. We thought it was a bar.
Yeah. I mean, the lights are really similar to the hair salon.
Yeah,
Like the bar,
it is.
like the.
I was missing the white. I guess it's a little bit white in there, but it's cool. Maybe we should try to find an old Taiwanese bar.
Yeah, we should.
Like a
And
proper
try
local.
some local alcohol.
Yeah, good idea. So I met some really nice girls in my hostel, and we had some nice food. And now two of them decided to have a piercing done. And this is the piercing studio. So it's clothing and yeah, jewelries and piercings. Yeah, so let's see how it goes for them. Also, I met two Swedish girls, so that's a funny coincidence because I haven't met many Swedish here. Hey. Is it done? Wow, that's so quick. How did it feel?
I mean, it hurt.
It hurt?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Are you gonna celebrate with a beer now?
No, because we're getting tattooed tomorrow.
Oh, you're getting a tattoo tomorrow.
Yeah.
Wow, you two are going on a rampage. Wow.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Yeah, I think traveling is all about being spontaneous, right?
Yes.
Neck, that's the liver, egg, ass, wing, like a tofu, soybean mix.